On the back part of the step, towards the right, I saw a small iridescent sphere of almost unbearable brilliance. At first, I thought it was revolving. Then I realized that this movement was an illusion created by the dizzying world it bounded. The Aleph's diameter was probably little more than an inch, but all space was there, actual and undiminished. Each thing, a mirror's face, let us say, was infinite things, since I distinctly saw it from every angle of the universe. I saw the teeming sea. I saw the daybreak and nightfall. I saw the multitudes of America. I saw a silvery cobweb in the center of a black pyramid. I saw a splintered labyrinth. I saw close up unending eyes watching themselves in me as in a mirror. I saw all the mirrors on earth, and none of them reflected me. I saw in a backyard of Solar Street the same tiles that 30 years before I'd seen in the entrance of a house on Fray Bentos. I saw bunches of grapes, snow, tobacco, loads of metal, steam. I saw convex equatorial deserts, and each one in their grains of sand. I saw a woman in Inverness who I shall never forget. I saw her tangled hair, her tall figure. I saw the cancer in her breast. I saw a ring of baked mud in a sidewalk, where before there had been a tree. I saw a summer house and a copy of the first English translation of Pliny, and all at the same time I saw each letter on each page.